Also, what I would like to say here, it's not enough, or it's not only collect, store, and analyze the data, and interpret it, but it's important that to make sure that available data is a consistent, transparent, and as Donald and Mahesh mentioned here, the data governance. The data governance is very important or essential uh, step in the data-driven journey. And the data governance policy here to manage the data from starting from the data collection till the actionable insights. And also the compliance with the, let's say, the data locality, the compliance about the data regulations, data privacy, and also GDPR. So, the very important to consider here. Also, to start the data-driven journey with the organization should start with the data use cases, start with the data project itself. What are the organization objectives? And based on this, they have to build or create their data strategy. And to start assuming that the organization knows their own data projects or data use cases. Okay, here we have three main pillars in building the data strategy. The first one is a people, second one is a process, the third one is the technology. Here we have the main three pillars when creating our data strategy. For example, the people in the organization should improve the data literacy inside the organization. Okay, I should, let's say, make sure that everyone in the organization knows what is the data, what is the importance of this data, and how to get benefits from this data. This is, we call it like a data literacy here. And also the process, that one of the main component of the process is data governance itself. It should be like creating a data strategy, encourage decisions based on the data-driven actions. Let's say, don't depend on the experience of the employees, but also make sure that the daily work or the daily workflow based on the data-driven. Why you take this action? Because one, two, three. Because there is like these numbers come to me as an expert, and then I take these decisions. Okay, so this is a process. And at the end, the technology part, and the technology, let's say, choosing the right tool or the right platform to enable the employees using your data. Let's say the self-service data exploration in the company. You make open up the data access for everyone, but you have to maintain the data governance and data privacy and so on. But also don't close everything to the employees. Like data exploration enables the sales team to access the procurement and the finance and so on to get more insights about everything in the company also. And in the technology pillar, also building the curated dashboard for the C-level or the board of directors to monitor the key business goals and inform them about the most important insights. It is not only like choosing let's say, the most connectivity or connected BI tool to connect for all data sources, but couldn't enable the experts to build the curated dashboard to the C-level and so on. So here, this is briefly what is a data strategy, or what is the data-driven organization, how to start their journey in building the data-driven teams or data-driven organization. And thank you.
I feel we can conclude the data strategy in three things. First, we have to inherit the data strategy from the business strategy. Second, we have to build the capabilities inside the organization from the team and from even the staff in every department. Third, we have to think about two things. Strategy, its meaning what? First, the dream, which we need to reach to. Second, the key pains. So we have to think about the touch point of the decision making. what kind of useful data we need, then we can build real journey strategy for the data with sufficient investment and with good investment and with good capability. With these 3 points, we can build a very strong strategy. And actually, in the private sector, they need to build a data strategy as a part of the business strategy from day one. Thank you.